Hi children, how are you? What are you doing? Did you study yesterday classwork? That new words, did you study or not? Studied, okay, very good. Nice to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. Children, in the previous class we have studied some new words and bigger numbers, smaller numbers. Or no ma? Yes, shall I ask question? Okay, open your mouth and say louder. Okay, open your mouth and say louder. Don't simply sit. Okay, Vama? Open your mouth and say louder. First one, big. Open your mouth and say the spelling for big. Open your mouth and say the spelling for big. B-I-G, big. Okay, then say the spelling for small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Yes, is or no? Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Then L-O-N-G, long. L-O-N-G, long. Then say the spelling for short. S-H-O-R-T, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Then last one, tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Okay, Vama? Say the spelling for big. B-I-G, big. Then say the spelling for small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Then say the spelling for long. L-O-N-G, long. Then say the spelling for short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Then say the spelling for tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Okay, Vama? Then say the meaning. Big means பெரிய. Big means பெரிய. Okay. Then small. What is the meaning for small? What is the meaning for small? Small means சிறிய. சிறிய. Okay. Big and small is the opposite words. Okay. Then see the next one, long. L-O-N-G, long. L-O-N-G, long. Long means நீளமான. Long means நீளமான. Okay, Vama? Long means நீளமான. Then short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Short means குட்டையான. Short means குட்டையான. Then last one, tall. Tall means உயரமான. Okay, Vama? Tall means உயரமான. Big means பெருசு. Small means சின்னது. Long means நீளமான. Short means குட்டையான. Tall means உயரமான. Okay, very good. Then in this class we are going to learn about after, before and between numbers. Okay, Vama? In this class we are going to learn about after, before and between numbers. In the previous class already we have studied this one, previous standards. After, before and between. This is very easy one. So all of you listen. All of you listen. The seventh one heading is after. A-F-T-E-R, after. B-E-F-O-R R-E, before. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. After, before and between. After, before and between. After means next number. We have to write the next number. They are given one number, then we have to write the next number, that is called after number. Then before number. Before means munnal, in front of the given number. Okay Vama, we want to write the in front of the given number. Then between means the center of the numbers. Between means in the center of the numbers. After, before and between. Now listen, see the first one. W-H-A-T, what? C-O-M-E-S, comes. A-F-T-E-R, after. What comes after? This is first one. W-H-A-T, what? C-O-M-E-S, comes. A-F-T-E-R, after. What comes after? What comes after? After means we want to write the next number. Okay Vama, see here. 5, then 1, 8, 6, 3. Okay, what comes after? After means you want to write the next number, that is called after number. Okay Vama, now listen. What comes after? 5 after. What comes after 5? What comes after 5? Already we have studied the numbers. Yes. Open your mouth and say what comes after 5. What will come of this place? What will come of this place? 5 after 6. 5 after 6. Okay Vama, what comes after? 5 after 6. Then see the second one, 1. What comes after 1? What comes after 1? 2. Okay, so you write here 2. அடுத்த நம்பர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவாம்மா, கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பரோட நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர். ஓகே, then see the next one, 8. 8 after. What comes after 8? What will come of this place? 9. Okay, what comes after 8? 9. Okay Mama, then see the next one, 6. What is this number? What is this number? 6. Okay, 6. What comes after 6? What comes after 6? 6 after 7. Okay Mama, then see the next one, 3. What is this number? 3. What will come of this place? What will come of this place? 3 after 4. Okay Mama, do you understand? Do you understand children? After numbers means we want to write the next number. We have to write the next number of the given number கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பருக்கு அடுத்த நம்பர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு தான் after நம்பர்னு பெயர். ஓகேவாம்மா? do you understand? okay, open your maths note, take new page and write this one, today's class work. Take new page and write neatly. Beside you should write today's class work, CW. Okay, Mama, class work and today's day and date. All of you write neatly. See and write. Take new page and write neatly. AFTER after, BEFORE before, BETWWEN between, after, before, between. First one, what comes after? WHAT, what? COMES comes, AFTER after. What comes after? 5 after 6. Then 1, 2, 8, 9, 6, 7, 3, 4. 3 and 4. Okay, Mama? All of you have you written? Shall we see the next one? Okay, listen. Keep your pencil inside the note. Close your note. Listen. Second one, WHAT, what? COMES comes, BEFORE before. What comes before? Before means in front of the number. Before means in front of the number. முன்னாடி உள்ள number. Okay, Mama? Now listen. 4, 6, 8, 10, 2. What comes before? Before means munnal. In front of the given number. We have to write in front of the given number. கொடுத்திருக்கிற நம்பருக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள நம்பர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். That is called before number. Okay, வாமா? புரியுதா? After means பின்னால். Before means முன்னால். What is this number? Open your mouth and say, what is this number? 4. Yes. What comes before 4? What comes before 4? 4 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 3. Yes. Have any doubt means you just write 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now see this one. What comes before 4? 4 க்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள number. What comes before 4? 3. Okay, so you take and write here 3. Then what comes before 6? What comes before 6? What will come of this place? What will come of this place? Open your mouth and say. The answer is 5. The answer is 5. Okay, Mama? Then see the next one. What is this number? This is 8. Okay, what comes before 8? What comes before 8? 8 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர்மா வரும்? What comes before 8? 7. Okay, what will come of this place? 7. Okay va? Do you understand? அதுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள number write பண்ணணும். Before means then 10. What is this number? 10. Okay, what comes before 10? What comes before 10? The answer is 9. So you write here 9. Okay, then see the next one. 2. See the next one. 2. What is this number? 2. What comes before 2? 2 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? What will come of this place? The answer is 1. The answer is 1. Okay, Vama? Do you understand? After means we have to write the next number. Before means we have to write the in front of the number. After number na பின்னாடி உள்ள number. Next number write பண்ணணும். Before number na முன்னாடி உள்ள number write பண்ணணும். Okay, Vama? Do you understand? Okay. Take new page and write what comes before. All of you take new page and write this one. Write neatly. See and write. Write neatly. Okay, Mama? WHAT what? COMES comes. BEFORE before. What comes before? See and write. Write neatly. All of you have written. Shall we see the next one? Okay, very good. Keep your pencil inside of the note. Close it. Close your note. Close your note. All of you listen. Okay, Mama? See the third one. Third one. WHAT what? COMES comes. BETWEEN between. What comes between? What comes between? Don't write anything. Now listen. Just listen, okay? Okay, now listen. What comes between? Between means in the center of the number. Between means in the center of the number. Okay, Mama? 5 and 7. The numbers between 5 and 7 is what will come? The numbers between 5 and 7. 5 க்கும் 7 க்கும் நடுவுல என்ன நம்பர்மா வரும்? 6. Okay, so you write here 6. Okay, the number between 5 and 7 is 6. Then the number between 1 and 3 is 2. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு நடுவில் இந்த நம்பர் தானே வரும்? Yes, the numbers between 1 and 3 is 2. Then 4 and 6. The numbers between 4 and 6 is the numbers between 4 and 6 is 5. The numbers between 4 and 6 is 5. Then the numbers between 8 and 10 is 8 and 10 is 9. The numbers between 8 and 10 is 9. Then the numbers between 6 and 8 is 7. The numbers between 6 and 8 is 7. All of you have it written? Is that no? Yes. Now open your note and write this one. What comes between? WHAT what? Take new page and write. Okay, Mama? Take next page and write what comes between. Say and write neatly. All of you have written? Okay, take new page and write today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. Today's homework. HW homework. W homework. WHAT what? COMES comes. What comes? WHAT what? COMES comes. What comes? Write with me. Ma'am கூட சேர்ந்து பார்த்து write பண்ணு. Don't waste the time. This is today's homework. All of you write neatly. This is very easy one, yes? Okay. Do you understand after, before, between? I hope you have understood because you all are very brilliant, yes? Okay, very good. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay? Take care, children. Drink more water. Eat food properly, okay? Very good. Take care, ma. Bye.